Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a HP LaserJet 1536dnf. This is nice and simple. You can learn from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any button presses I make very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So, first thing we need to do is go into the setup menu, which we do by pressing the spanner icon found on the printer. And once we're in there, we're going to press the right arrow here 4 times until we get to System Setup. With System Setup on the screen, we press OK. And then Language is the first option, so we can just press OK straight away. In here, you'll be presented with a full list of all the different languages your printer uses. You just use the left and right arrow to navigate through them, and then once you've found the language you're looking for, just press OK to be taken into it. OK once more to confirm, and you're done. And that's all there is to see. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.